Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the IAT sensor. This is the intake air temperature sensor, guys. Fuses, relays on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. By the way, okay, IAT sensor will be integrated in the MAF sensor here, so we'll talk about that. But now, guys, it should work on that generation. Please do not waste your money on a new IAT sensor, MAF sensor. We'll explain how to test IAT sensor, how to clean it as well. We'll talk about that. And if you need to buy any replacement parts too, so after that, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way, guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. The IAT sensor fuses and relays, let's explain where you can expect to find them, guys. We'll demonstrate on that GMC Terrain. First, before we start, by the way, always try testing the IAT sensor first. Check the wiring harness, make sure it's not loose or contaminated with fluids. We've seen that happen too. And or if it's wet, if somebody washed the engine. And another thing, always, guys, clean the IAT sensor. So practically clean the MAF sensor. We'll have videos on our YouTube channels how to test IAT sensor, how to clean MAF sensor. Check it out. Fuses, relays now. Quick advice, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and pop the hood open facing the engine here on the right side. You see, guys, okay, that's on the driver's side. Next to the brake fluid reservoir is your main engine fuse box. You have a couple tabs that you need to release. You can lift the cover up after that and you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So, guys, here now we will need to check multiple fuses. All of these are for either engine management, fuel injection, but that sensor practically work together with all that, so there is limited information, but one of them will be for that sensor, so check all of them. First, we're talking about fuse number 21 right here, needs to be checked. Fuse number 20 right there as well. Next, we need to locate fuse number 37 and 38, those are two very important fuses. Next, we need to locate fuse number 42, which is this fuse right here. After that, we need to locate fuse number 52, right there. Next, we need to locate fuse number 46 over here. And after that, we need to locate fuse number 53, which is right here, the 10M fuse under the relay. Now, you will need to check relay 66 right there as well, guys. Those are the main fuses, relays that we usually check. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.